Hey, it's Brad from Sun Outdoors. I'm going to show you how we make the Walkin On Sunshine. This is our signature cocktail. It is a welcome cocktail across all properties, and we are very, very happy and proud of it. So in our tin, we're going to do 1 ounce of Svedka vodka, ½ ounce of fresh lemon juice, ½ ounce of simple syrup. Into our tin, we're going to throw a little ice, shake vigorously, and we're going to double strain that into the champagne flute. And then on top of that, we're going to top it with 3 ounces of prosecco. Basically, you can just fill that close to the top. And we're going to garnish it with a lemon peel. And this is the Walkin On Sunshine from Sun Outdoors, our signature cocktail across all our properties. Cheers.